Hello everyone, my name is Grace Mezer. I'm the Managing Director for Thermomix, and today I'm here with Deb, our amazing recipe developer. Deb was the leading recipe developer for our amazing anniversary cookbook. So Deb, what are we doing today?
Today we're doing pizza, Grace. And it's a special pizza. It's in the shape of a sun, but I know this has a special meaning to you. Would you like to tell us why?
First of all, pizza is very, very special to us. From the beginning, when we were making pizza, customers absolutely loved it. And we also, at the beginning, had an amazing event with Ian Parmenter when we fed hundreds of people with a lot of pizza. And you can read about that in our anniversary cookbook as well. Why is it in the shape of the sun? These are a really special reason. We love having grandkids at our place and for sleepovers. And whenever we wake up, Phoenix always says, "Babcia, let's get up, the sun is out." And it's so special and so meaningful. You might be going through a hard time, but you always think, hey, the sun will come out. You might be in an area where it's a bad weather. The sun always comes out. So the sun has got very, very special meaning. So should we show everyone how to shape it, Deb?
Yeah, let's get shaping, Grace. So we have got all our ingredients here ready to assemble our pizza sun, Grace. So we've made a beautiful dough in our Thermomix, and we just know how amazing and how wow the Thermomix is for dough. It just takes all the hard work out of it, 2 minutes of kneading, and you've got this perfect dough. So we've got our lovely filling, which is a sun-dried tomato, mozzarella, Parmesan cheese, some ham in there, some herbs. But of course you can make it vegetarian if you want. You can use all sorts of fillings, artichokes, olives, whatever you would like.
And you shaped that pizza beautifully.
I did. So I used our beautiful rolling pin and our Thermomat, which has the sizing on, so I could get it in our perfect 30 centimeter circle. And we rolled it on our Thermomat, and now we've put it onto our baking paper, so we are ready to shape it and put it onto our pizza tray. So we're going to start off with our filling, which we've put into which is going to form the center of our sun. And we've put some of our filling in there and just press it into the bowl. And this is the exciting part. We're going to put it into the center of our dough.
And it's ready for the oven, Deb.
Yep, ready for baking, Grace. 180 degrees for about 20 minutes. And then I think we can have a party.
Let's invite lots of friends and share. Thank you so much, Deb, for showing us this recipe and how to assemble and how to put it together. This recipe, as well as lots of other recipes, they are in our anniversary cookbook, which is available in the Mix shop, as well as all the accessories that we use today. So go and check it all out.